Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So today we are going to discuss about the current affairs of November 1st to 15th, 2018. So this is the first half of current affairs of November 2018. So friends, here we are presenting the current affairs which will be helpful for all the competitive examinations, and it is in precise. So we are giving you the gist of the current affairs here. So we are suggesting you to elaborate it further, okay, which is helpful for your examinations. So very first it is persons in news. So it is S.S. Dhaval. S.S. Dhaval is being appointed by ACC, Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, as the Director General of ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and earlier and currently he is serving as the Director General of SSB, Sastra Seema Bal. So earlier he was being appointed as Director General of SSB, and now he is continuing as the Director General of SSB. Apart from that, he is being appointed as the Additional Director General for ITBP. Mary Kom. So Mary Kom, she is an Olympian and woman boxer, is being appointed as brand ambassador for 10th edition of Women World Championship. So Women World Championship, which is being held by AIBA, International Boxing Association, AIBA. So recently AIBA's new president is also being elected. So he is Gafur Rakhinov. So Gafur Rakhinov is being elected as the new president of AIBA, AIBA, International Boxing Association. So and Gafur Rakhinov is a businessman from Uzbekistan, and 10th edition of AIBA is to be held from November 15 to 24, 2018 in New Delhi, and it is hosting by India. So there is a possible question on this. So who is the brand ambassador of this Women World Championship conducted by AIBA, which is conducted in New Delhi from November 15 to 24, 2018. Next, Aishwarya Sharma. So Aishwarya Sharma is being appointed as the brand ambassador of Mahendra Singh Foundation. So Mahendra Singh Foundation is based in New York. So it is a NGO, so which helps the devastated people, slavery people across the world. So Aishwarya Sharma is being appointed as the brand ambassador of Mahendra Singh Foundation. Next, 4 new judges were being inducted into the Supreme Court. So 4 new judges has been sworn in as the new judges of Supreme Court on 2nd November 2018 in presence of President Ramnath Kovind as well as CJI Ranjan Gogoi. So the 4 important judges, okay, who are recently sworn in as the judges of Supreme Court are Justice Hemant Gupta, so he is from Haryana, and Justice R. Subhash Reddy, okay, he hails from Telangana. Next, Justice M. R. Shah, okay, he hails from Gujarat, and finally Justice Ajay Rastogi, so he hails from Rajasthan. So 4 new judges are being promoted to the Supreme Court, okay, on 2nd November 2018. So remember, there are total 31 judges in Supreme Court including CJI, and now there are 26 in number. So there are 26 judges in Supreme Court of India, among which 3 are women. So please, okay, make a note of those 3 women judges who are in the Supreme Court. And remember, the first Supreme Court women judge, okay, is Fatima Bibi, okay, following. So in the comment box, so please name who are the 3 women judges among 26 judges in Supreme Court, okay, following. So there should be 31, but there are only 26 as of now. Next, so Pranay Kumar Musahari, so he is retired High Court judge of Guwahati. So he has been appointed as the chairperson of Meghalaya's first Lokayukta. So remember Lokpal and Lokayukta. So Lokpal is related to the nation and Lokayukta is related to the state regarding the cases. So Meghalaya's first Lokayukta was being appointed by the government. So he is Pranay Kumar Musarai. So in India, so Punjab, Orissa and Karnataka, okay, Lokayuktas has a strong teeth. So in case of any bureaucrat who is found guilty in corruption, so they can be charged under this Lokayuktas, and Lokpal is related to the nation. If there are any corruption charges of the bureaucrats, so these Lokayukta and Lokpal will come into effect. Next, Jeff Sessions. So Jeff Sessions, he is a US Attorney General, so who has recently resigned after stress, okay, from President of USA. So Mr. Donald Trump has asked Mr. Jeff Sessions to resign. So following which, okay, Jeff Sessions has resigned as Attorney General of USA, and following which the acting, okay, Attorney General presently is Matthew Whitaker. So Matthew Whitaker is the acting Attorney General of USA. Okay. Next, Snehalata Srivastava. So Snehalata Srivastava, remember, she is the first Lok Sabha Secretary General who was being extended for one more year. So she has got 1 year extension from the Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. Okay, so Sumitra Mahajan has extended the 1 year's extension of the Snehalata Srinivastava, okay, who is the first woman Lok Sabha Secretary General. Next, Siddhartha Tiwari. So Siddhartha Tiwari, okay, is an Indian, so who is being appointed as representative for Asia Pacific by BIS. So Bank for International Settlements, which is in Basel of Switzerland. So remember, Basel is a place in Switzerland where all the banks will meet, okay, annually to discuss about the banking scenario every year. So therefore, so Basel is very important for examination point of view in bank and as well as for other competitive examinations. So BIS, Bank for International Settlements, okay, following has appointed Mr. Siddhartha Tiwari as representative of Asia Pacific. Okay. Next, Sanjeev Ahuja is being appointed as non-executive director of Vodafone Group. Vodafone Group. Okay. And next, so new ministers, okay, has taken the additional charges, okay, like Sadananda Gowda. So Sadananda Gowda is taken as additional minister for Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, okay, and he was the already he is the minister for Statistics and Program Implementation. Next, Narendra Singh Tomar, he is taken the charge of Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. So he is already the Minister for Rural Development, Panchayati Raj and Mining, that is mines. Okay, so these two ministers has taken the charges, okay, fine, which are already held by Anant Kumar. So after the sudden demise of Anant Kumar, okay, the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers as well as Parliamentary Affairs, okay, so who else from Karnataka, Bengaluru of Karnataka, so recently has died, okay, due to cardiac arrest. So following which the new ministers Sadananda Gowda and Narendra Singh Tomar has taken the charges of him. Next, Ashish Chowdhury. So Ashish Chowdhury, Apple has appointed Nokia veteran Ashish Chowdhury as its India operations head. Next, Binny Bansal. So Binny Bansal is a founder of Flipkart along with Sachin Bansal, and now Binny Bansal has resigned to the post of CEO of Flipkart. Okay, so due to which Krishnamurthy, okay, Kalyan Krishnamurthy will continue as the CEO of Flipkart. So Binny Bansal okay, he belongs to Flipkart. Okay, so it is an e-commerce giant of India. So it's like Amazon.com. So .in India. So Amazon.in in India. So therefore Flipkart belongs to India and Amazon.in belongs to USA. Okay, fine. So in India, Flipkart is a very important, a famous e-commerce giant. Okay, which is being founded by Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal. Okay, following. So now both has come out from this Flipkart. Okay, so from the management. Next, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, so he is also important persons in news now. Okay, like for the year November 2018. Okay, because he is being appointed as a brand ambassador of Bharat Matrimony. Okay, following. So it's a matrimony site in India. Okay, so Bharat Matrimony. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni was appointed as a brand ambassador, and athlete Hima Das so was appointed as youth ambassador of UNICEF India, and she is the first youth ambassador of UNICEF India, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. So these are the very important current affairs. So persons in news,